The reason your coaching business isn't growing isn't a lack of effort. It's a lack of strategy. I get it. You're showing up every day, pouring your energy into your coaching business. You've built a website, you're posting on social media, and maybe you've even offered free sessions to get the ball rolling. But no matter what you do, your life coaching business just isn't growing the way you hoped. Instead of progress, you feel stuck. Like you're spinning your wheels, but going nowhere. The frustration is real, and you might even be wondering if this dream is worth it. But here's the thing, it's not you. And it's not that your coaching isn't valuable. There's a reason your coaching business isn't growing. And today, we're gonna uncover it. Stick with me, because by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what's holding you back and how to fix it. This is Super Bloom Coach, the podcast for life coaches ready to 10x their business. I'm your host, Mariah Riona, an award-winning luxury brand designer and certified life coach. On this show, I share all things life coaching, luxury branding, and building the business and the life of your dreams. And today, we're diving into the real reason your coaching business just isn't growing and the exact strategy you need to get unstuck. Let's get started. Why most life coaching businesses plateau. When you started your coaching business, you were likely filled with excitement. You had a vision of helping others, making an impact, and creating a life of freedom and fulfillment. But here's what no one tells you. Growing a coaching business isn't just about being a great coach. Many coaches hit a plateau because they focus too much on their skills and not enough on their business. Coaching certifications, frameworks, and tools are all important, but they're not enough to attract clients consistently or grow your income. The reality is you can be the most talented coach in the world, but if people don't know what you offer or why they need it, your business will struggle. And that's where most coaches get stuck. Let's talk about the most common mistakes that keep coaching businesses from growing. Number one, lack of clarity. You might be trying to serve everyone, but in doing so, you're resonating with no one. Without a clear niche or a clearly defined ideal client, your message gets lost in a sea of generality. People don't know how you can help them, so they move on. Number two, focusing on features, not results. Your audience doesn't want coaching. They want transformation. If your messaging is all about what your program includes, number of sessions, worksheets, modules, etc., you're missing the mark. People want to know how your coaching will solve their problem or change their life. For more, check out my recent episode, Why No One is Buying Your Coaching Program and How to Fix It. And number three, random acts of marketing. Posting sporadically on Instagram or throwing together a sales page isn't a strategy. Without a cohesive plan for reaching and converting your ideal clients, your marketing efforts will fall flat. Does any of this sound familiar? If so, don't worry. You're not alone. And the good news, these challenges are entirely fixable. Here's the truth. The reason your coaching business isn't growing isn't a lack of effort. It's a lack of strategy. To build a thriving coaching business, you need to do more than just coach. You need a plan, a clear, actionable strategy that aligns your messaging, offers, and marketing. Without it, you're essentially throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. The missing piece? Having all the right elements working together. To grow your coaching business, you need 4 essential pillars. First, your niche. You can't be everything to everyone. A clearly defined niche allows you to stand out and position yourself as the go-to expert for a specific audience. Your niche is the foundation for all of your other business decisions. Secondly, your ideal client. Knowing your ideal client inside and out is crucial. What are their biggest struggles? What dreams keep them awake at night? When you know exactly who you're talking to, you can create offers and messaging that resonates deeply. Third, your irresistible offer. Your offer needs to provide a clear and compelling solution to your ideal client's problem. It should focus on the transformation they'll experience, not just the features of your coaching program. When your offer is irresistible, clients can't wait to say yes. And fourth, client attraction. also known as marketing. Even the best coaching program won't sell itself. You need a marketing strategy that connects you with your ideal clients, builds trust, and motivates them to take action. And consistency is key. So here's the kicker. These 4 pillars build on each other. You can't have one without the others. Your marketing won't work if you don't know your ideal client. Your ideal client won't resonate if you haven't defined your niche. And your offer won't sell if it's not tailored to that ideal client's needs. When all 4 pieces work together, your coaching business can't help but grow. So here's the next step. If you're tired of spinning your wheels and ready to take your coaching business to the next level, I want to invite you to join Dream Client Accelerator. Inside, you'll learn how to define your niche so you stand out in a crowded market, how to identify your ideal client and craft messaging that speaks directly to them, the exact framework for creating an irresistible offer that sells, and a step-by-step plan for client attraction so you can consistently connect with dream clients. Here's the secret. You need all 4 pillars working together to create real momentum in your coaching business. When you do, everything changes. Click that link in the description to enroll in DCA today and start growing your coaching business with confidence. But spots are limited, so don't wait. Let's make your coaching business everything you know it can be.